Shalom and welcome to Teruma. This year is entitled Terumot Umasrot number 5, the order of the tithing. So a person goes ahead and grows oranges in his backyard. He has a tree, and it's an amazing appreciation of Hashem. A person can plant one tiny seed, and then a few years later, thousands and thousands of oranges could be produced over the years, and he does no work whatsoever. It's an incredible gift from Hashem. So based on everything that we said so far, the fact that we don't have rove, so certain majority, which means the majority of Jews are not here yet, so that would mean that it cannot be from the Torah, it's from the rabbis. The fact it's not one of the, it's not oil or grapes means that it, according to the Rambam, it would still be from the Torah, but from others it would be rabbinic. But either way, that's just a question in theory. The Maasair, one has to take Teruma and Maasair. So what is the process? Let's take the orange tree. What has to be tithed from this tree? So we have certain tithes that are standard in every single year of the Shemitah cycle. We have the Shemitah year, then we have 6 years to follow it. That's standard every year. And then we have certain tithes that change depending on the year. The standard ones are Truma Gedolah. That's a portion that goes to the Kohen. Next is Maasair Rishon, that goes to the Levi. Then the Levi has to tithe a portion to the Kohen, that's Trumat Maasair. That's the Truma that comes from the Maasair. Then, so those three are in every year. Truma Gedolah, that's to the Kohen, Maasair Rishon to the Levi, Trumat Maasair from the Levi to the Kohen. Then we have the alternative tithes. On the first, second, fourth, and fifth years, we have Maasair Sheni, where the owner himself has to take the fruit or the produce and bring it to Yerushalayim and eat it there. Yerushalayim means the old halachic Yerushalayim. Or redeem it onto a coin and then take the coin and bring it to Yerushalayim and eat it there and pay for produce there with that coin. Those on the first, second, fourth, fifth years. And then on the third and on the sixth years, we have, instead of Maasair Sheni, Maasair Ani. We have to take off from the produce a certain amount and it has to be given to an Ani. That's Maasair Ani. So it might sound like a lot of information for someone who never tithed before, because we're so used to buying the fruits and the vegetables all tithed already for us, but it's not that much. 3 that are standard: Truma Gedolah, Maasair Rishon, Trumat Maasair. And then the alternative tithes are Maasair Sheni, where a person takes a certain amount, brings it to Yerushalayim, or redeems on the coin, brings the coin to Yerushalayim. Or Maasair Ani in the third and sixth years, where a person takes a certain amount, and that amount is given to an Ani. Yetz Hashem, in the future shiurim, we'll go through the practical process of the amounts and what is done today that we don't really have kohanim, that are tahor, which are 100% kohanim. What do we do l'ma'aseh from a practical standpoint with all of these halachot? Shalom.